something happened. So we were supposed to do a hike, but now we're calling the horses.
Lifeline. Horse!
That's an island within the lake, within a volcano, within that lake and within the volcano. So from the Tagaytay to Mount Macolot is a volcano before, and 18,000 feet into the sky. Smallest volcano but the largest volcano in the Philippines because Anto Alabang Metropolis is part of volcano.
See? Kala nyo nagsisinungaling ako ah.
Ano, pwede pa daw tayo mag-decide kung gusto natin mag-horse.
Ayoko mag-horse.
Huwag tayo mag-horse.
English lang po ma'am kasi po ma'am, kung hintayin natin sila siguro mga maghintay pa tayo ng mga 30 minutes ba.
Kakalis pa lang ba nila?
Kakalis pa lang nila?
Kasi po ang boating po natin from here to island is 35 minutes. So, pwede pa tayo maghintay ng 30 minutes.
Masyado matagal yun.
Bigay yun po yata yun kaya...
Why is it red?
Because it's not blue.
Because it's taking.
Oh shit.
It's been taking.
Taken.